Thank you for showing your interest in Orders Zilla. In this video, we will see how you can easily create website for a restaurant or cloud kitchen through Orders Zilla admin panel. Before you start the website development, make sure you have the information handy with you, which you are seeing on the screen right now. If you have all this information handy, and menu is not having more than 50 items, you should be able to create the website in less than an hour. It is mandatory to have the details mentioned in points 1 to 10, and details mentioned in points 11 to 14 are optional. Required details are: name of the restaurant, name of the restaurant owner, mobile number of the restaurant owner, WhatsApp number of the restaurant owner, email address of the restaurant owner, restaurant address, delivery type preference, complete menu with all item names, categories, price, item variant if any, item add-on if any, and photo of each item. Restaurant working time and working days. Delivery areas where restaurant can deliver the order with delivery charge for each area. Optional details are: payment gateway details if available. This is required if payment to be accepted online. Restaurant logo if available. Restaurant Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn links if available. Website color preference if any. Now, let's see how to create the website. First, you need to register your restaurant at Orders Zilla. For that, log in to www.orderszilla.in and select Login in the top right menu. Then select New User. Enter all the required details in this sign-up form and click on Sign Up button. This will complete the registration process. Now, you will log into your Orders Zilla admin panel and you will see the view like this. If you see the message like this, that the restaurant is unavailable, it means you do not have any active subscription plan. In that case, you can either sign up for 30 days trial or you can buy paid subscription plan. You can also get in touch with your sales consultant to activate the plan for you. Based on the name given by you in the sign-up form, restaurant link will be created automatically. You can see the link by clicking on the restaurant name in the top right corner. Let's click it, and you can see the link for this restaurant in the address bar. Since we have not added any details, nothing is shown at this link as of now. Now let's see how to create the menu. Let's assume that you want to create the menu which is shown on the screen. We have 3 items in this menu. 1 pizza and 2 beverages. Pizza has 3 variants: regular, medium and large. For pizza there is also an option for adding extra cheese. We will see how to get all these options added. Please note that when you create the menu, you should always add the items from bottom to top. The item which has to be at the top in the menu should be added last. This is because last item added in the menu is always displayed first. If you do not follow this order correctly, you will not be able to change the order after menu is created, and you will need to create the menu again. So, make sure your menu is finalized first before you start adding the items here. First, let's add beverages in the menu as we always start from bottom in the menu. For that, let's first create the category for beverages by clicking Add New Category. Enter the category as Beverages and click on Add button. Now, we will start with last item in the beverages menu, which is Sprite. Now under Beverages, click on Add New Item. Give name as Sprite 750 ml, update price as 60 rupees, update description, and upload image. Then click on Add button. Similarly, let's add second beverage. Click on Add New Item. Give name as Coke 750 ml, update price as 60 rupees, update description, and upload image, and then click on Add button. As you can see on the restaurant website, Both the beverages are added under Beverages category and can be added to the cart. Now let's go to the menu and create the category for pizzas. Click on Add New Category. Give the name of the category as Pizzas. And click on Add button. Now let's add the pizza. Click on Add New Item. Give the name as Corn Pizza. Give the price as 199 rupees. Enter the description. Select and upload image of the pizza. Then click on Add button. This has added the pizza in the menu with flat price of 199 rupees. As you can see in the restaurant website, it has now added corn pizza with flat price of 199 rupees. Now let's update variant of this pizza. Click on corn pizza from the menu. And under has variants option, select yes and click update button. Now go to variants and click on add new. Give first variant name as regular and enter price as 199 rupees. Then click on add button. Similarly add another variant as medium and price as 349 rupees. Same way, add third variant as large and price of 599 rupees. Now let's add extras. Click on add new button. Give the name as extra cheese and price as 50 rupees. Click on add button. Now, let's go to restaurant website and see how it looks. Now you can see, when you add corn pizza to the cart, it gives you the option to select the variant and also gives you the option to add extra cheese. Based on the variant you select and whether you have selected extra cheese or not, price will be updated in the cart based on that. Now, let's update the delivery area. Go to delivery area in the menu. Here, you can define areas where you can deliver the orders, and for each area you can define the delivery fee, which you want to charge your customers for delivery in that area. To add an area, click on Add New button. Enter name of the area and update delivery fee for that area in the price field. Click on Add button. Similarly, you can add all the areas. Now let's update the working hours. Go to working hours in the menu. Here you can update opening and closing time of your restaurant or cloud kitchen for each day. If you are closed on a particular day in the week, then you can mark that day as closed by updating Always Closed option as Yes. Please note that your customers will not be able to place the order at the time when you are closed and also on the day which you marked as closed. To see the subscription plans, click on Pricing Plans menu. Here you can select the pricing plan that you want to subscribe and pay online to activate the plan. If you are purchasing it through our sales consultant, then pricing plan will be activated by sales consultant. Next, in the Payments tab, you can set up various payment options that you want to offer to your customers. If you want to enable only cash on delivery option, then COD should be selected, and there is no need to update other payment options. But if you want to accept online payment on your website, then you should register at these payment gateways on their separate website. Once you register with them, they will give you public key and secret key, which you need to update here. Once you update these keys here, your customers will be able to make online payment on your website. If you want to create promotional coupon codes for your website, you can create them by clicking Coupons menu. Here, you can create as many coupons code you want. For each coupon you can enter the coupon name, coupon code, which your customers will apply at your website, how much discount you want to offer, that you can mention under price. Then, you can also mention the date range during which coupon code should become active. And finally, in limit field, you can enter how many times you want to allow the coupon code to be used. And then, click on the Add button. Then, your coupon code will automatically become active on the date, which you mentioned in Active From field, and it will be automatically deactivated on the date which you mention in Active to field. If you do not want to create promotional coupon codes, then you can simply skip this section. Now let's see the various settings that you need to update in Settings menu. For Indians, currency should be rupees and time zone should be Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Update store title as name of your restaurant or cloud kitchen. Update address of your restaurant. Update email and description of your restaurant. Update the copyright note, which will be displayed at the bottom of your website. Select your delivery preference as delivery, pickup or both. If you want to accept pickup only orders on your website, then select pickup here. Upload logo of your website, which will be displayed at the top of your website. Upload the fav icon, which will be displayed at the top of the browser. You can see in the restaurant website, this is your logo. And this is the fav icon. If you want to change color and template of your website, you can change through these options. Under SEO settings, update meta title as name of your restaurant and meta description as description of your restaurant. Whatever details you update here in SEO settings, those will be displayed in Google search when your restaurant website is shown in Google search engine. Then make sure you upload OG image. You can update the same image here as your restaurant logo. This is the image which will be shown when you share your restaurant on WhatsApp. See how the image is shown in WhatsApp when link is shared. This OG image is required to be uploaded, otherwise the image like this will not be shown when you share your restaurant website link. If you have social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and LinkedIn, then add those profile links here, otherwise you can keep them as blank. If you update these links, then your customers can easily visit your social media profiles by clicking the buttons from your restaurant website. These buttons will be shown at the bottom of your website, as you can see on your screen right now. There is no need to change WhatsApp message settings unless you want to modify the message which is sent to you when you receive the order on WhatsApp. Let's not change it for now. Last setting is very important. Make sure you update your WhatsApp number here. This is the number on which you will receive WhatsApp message when your customer places WhatsApp order on your website. This number is to be updated by first having country code without symbol followed by 10 digits mobile number. As an example, if your mobile number is 1234567890 and you are an Indian, then you should update the number as 911234567890. 91 is the country code of India. After updating all these settings, click on Update button, and all these settings will be saved. Now you should update privacy policy and terms and conditions pages of your website. You can update them by clicking CMS pages in the menu. Under CMS pages, click on Privacy Policy and paste your privacy policy text here and click on Update button. To update terms and conditions page of your website, go to Terms and Conditions and paste your terms and conditions text here and then click on Update button. When you visit your restaurant website, you can see this text by clicking the links at the bottom of your website. We are highlighting these links on your screen now. If you do not update these pages, then your website may not be indexed by Google for showing it in the search results. Now your website is completely ready. You can also visit your website by clicking on your restaurant name in the top right corner. You can also share the QR code of your website by visiting Share menu from the bottom left-hand side. When you click Share button, you will see your QR code like this. You can share it on WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn by clicking the buttons at the bottom of this QR code. Your customers can see your restaurant menu and can also place the order by scanning this QR code. Now let's try placing order on this website. In this demo, we had added only 3 items in the menu, but actual restaurant will have more items in the menu. Let's add pizza to the cart, let's select medium pizza, and let's also add extra cheese. Now you can see that the price is updated in the cart accordingly. Let's select delivery date and delivery time. Then in the delivery info, select the area, and you can see in the payment summary, delivery charge is added based on the area that we selected. Now enter delivery address, building name, landmark and PIN code. Then enter your name, email address, and mobile number. And then click on WhatsApp order button. Now order is placed. As soon as order is placed, you will see the link to track the order. And restaurant owner will receive the email with order details. Now after this, if you click on this, send order to WhatsApp button, then restaurant owner will also receive the message on WhatsApp, and you can also chat with restaurant owner on WhatsApp. Now, let's go back to admin panel again. As you can see here in orders menu, the order that we placed just now is also reflecting in this orders section. You can accept or reject the order here. Let's accept the order now. As soon as you accept the order, you will see prepared button. Once the order is cooked and ready to be dispatched, then you should click this prepared button. Once you click prepared button, you will see delivered button. After the order is delivered, you can click on delivered button, and then order status will change as closed. All the status that you are updating here, customer can track it on the link which he or she received after placing the order. As a restaurant owner, you can also see your orders and earnings report in the dashboard by clicking Home menu. You will see complete history in graphical format once you have received the orders. If your customer has requested for table reservation, you can see all those details in Table Book menu. And any payment you do towards subscription purchase or renewal, all those transactions, you will see here in Transactions menu. If you want to change the name of your restaurant, you can change it by clicking Edit Profile menu. If you want to change the password of your admin panel, you can change it by clicking Change Password menu. Once you are done, you can log out from the admin panel by clicking Logout menu. Anytime in future, when you want to log into your admin panel again, you can do it by opening www.orderzilla.in/admin. Enter username and password that you had given at the time of registration and click on Login button. And then it will take you to the admin panel again. With this, we have concluded the demo. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or need any help, please write to us at support@fameinfotech.com. Thank you.